How do you make a robot better at picking fruit? These days, when you tuck into a tomato soup, prepare some roast potatoes or take a sip of wine, there's a good chance that those fruits and vegetables were harvested by machines. It's quicker, cheaper, and can mean less food waste from labour shortages. But some plants are easier for machines to harvest than others. Soft fruits need a delicate touch, and the raspberry has proved a particular problem for robotic pickers. So far, machines haven't been able to match up to a human's ability to pluck the fruit from the stem without crushing it. But now a team in Switzerland think they have a solution, and it's this: a robotic raspberry. This fake fruit is designed to train robots to be better raspberry pickers. It mimics elements of a real raspberry: the squishiness, the way it clings to the stem, the way the stem itself bends when you pull on it. But this raspberry has a sensor inside. It can measure the exact pressure and changes in pressure that a human exerts on it, recording the technique of expert raspberry pickers. It then compares that to what a raspberry picking robot does and feeds back information to the robot on where it was going wrong. The researchers have learnt, for example, that as humans pull a raspberry from the stem, they immediately soften their grip to a more gentle hold, and they can now apply this knowledge to the robot. The team's lab-trained robot proved surprisingly effective when they eventually tested it on real raspberries. But it's not fully ready for the big time just yet. Still, the researchers say that using lab versions of fruit could save hours of expensive field tests. All sorts of robots could be trained and developed in the lab using robotic fruit before being tested on the real thing. So you could soon be tucking into even more machine-harvested fruit, all thanks to this robotic raspberry.
They did it!
Well,
Kind of.